What's up, guys? Getting ready to give you an update on our St. George store. Before that, we have to get everything done here at the warehouse to be able to go to St. George. So they're loading right now, the truck. We have a table here that's like a never-ending, this is the stuff that's going to Scrap Apple. Then it's gonna be even bigger when it's going to the Minky store because it's gonna be, you know, tons of Minky. So a roll of batting, I need a ladder up there, a box of stuff. They're gonna keep loading up fabrics and stuff. In the back of the truck, I've got a sewing machine that we repaired. I've got quilts that have been quilted, all of that. Come this way. Tiancum and Carter flew to Texas this morning to purchase a quilt store. I got you, don't worry, come on in. Tiancum and Carter flew to Texas this morning to do a quilt store purchase. So I gotta go to the bank right now. I have to get like all of my ducks in a row finished so that I can then go up there and do the things that I need to do. So this is our DTF printer printing. Gotta make sure these get finished before I leave. Then I'm going to the bank to do a wire transfer for the funds. Then I'm getting product loaded. There's one more thing I gotta do today, I can't remember what it is. I gotta order shirts again. I had needed a reorder on shirts. So once those things are done, we'll hop in the car. I have my mission companion here from Argentina with his son. So they're going to come with me up to Scrap Apple, see the whole deal. And I'm gonna take them to the favorite food stops along the way because they're visiting and you gotta get the food. So that's the update for the day. That's the video for the day. Hope you guys enjoy. New Minky store opening up next month, about 1 month away from grand opening. If everything goes the way we want it to, it's gonna open the third weekend in August. So we'll see you there and see you along the ride. Let's do it. All right, guys, we loaded up, we're driving. I got these guys here trying the burritos of the taco truck here on the side of the road that are our favorite go-to spot when we're going up there. So I'll let them give it a rating here when they're done. All right, guys, so just walked into the shop. They've done drywall and paint. They're just like finishing up with, there was no, you guys remember there was no drywall here, no paint here. Everything's just getting to the point where it's like, okay, now we can start getting to like the finish work where it's actually the part where we can start putting in shelving units, we can start getting all that kind of stuff done. So we're getting there 1 second at a time. This is, it's looking great. If you saw it in the beginning, which I know we have some footage of, you'll see how awesome it's looking. So if things go well, we're gonna be open in a month from now. And this whole main area here is gonna be our showroom area. So very excited about 1,000 bolts of Minky. It's gonna be sweet. So now I gotta run and do a handful of other things here. We're gonna stop at Scrap Apple and that'll be it for the day. But I just wanna give you guys the update here on the shop. Okay, guys, checking up on Scrap Apple here. Not even checking up, just like saying hi because they already got things locked down. The store's looking great. They're just dropping off some product, picking up some quilts. We do their quilting services and their machine repairs here, so we picked up their machines that they need repaired, dropped off the machines that were already repaired, you know, that kind of stuff. So those are all done. Picked up a few more quilts, and now we're headed back to Vegas, and that's it. So. Scrap Apple's in good shape. 5 minutes away is our Minky store, what will be our Minky store, and that's it, guys. So I'll see you back at the shop. Okay, guys, that's what a normal day looks like on the trip to St. George. We do this about every week, every 10 days, depending on what's going on, sometimes twice a week. You saw the stops along the way. The food, obviously, you just had to do the food. Scrap Apple, getting things unloaded, getting that done. And then the other just random stuff that are like, hey, we gotta get these things like in between the things that are going on in normal everyday life. So super stoked for you guys to have been able to see the shop. I hope that you guys visit us the third weekend in August if it opens. Fun time, right? You saw what it looks like. That's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget, as always, if you like these videos, it's totally free to hit that little thumbs up button. Give it a thumbs up. Share it onto your Facebook page. Share it with your friends. And spread the love of sewing around in your community. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye, everyone.